Now we don't see any background. Maybe a line below will be good, so we can just add this text decoration, underline, and when you hover, you'll see this line. So what we need now is, yeah, this is pretty good. I think we need a margin for this. Let's check it out. So using the ruler tool, we can see what is the margin. So maybe 30 pixels, no, 45 pixels. That's what we need. So top description app. Maybe we'll not need any margin, but we can do it on the text. Let's make order. So our heading, which is on the top description text, our H1 will have a different font size. So as we can see, it's 52. So let's get back to our CSS, make font size 52 pixels. Our second will be 37. So top description text will be in H3 and font size 37 pixels. And let's save it and check. This is very big. I think it's the same font type and font size, and it's not the same, so maybe we will lower this to 34 maybe, and this will be already light. So yeah, now it's similar. Let's see what is the 21. It's open sans on our P. Top description, P, and the font size is 21 pixels. So maybe, as we can see on the other heading, the H3, the font size was 37, but was not the same, as we can check on the browser, because this is problems from the render engine of different browsers. So each browser have their own render engine, and they render in different ways. So we can match things like this, lower or making them bigger, and as you can see, this is our result, and it's pretty similar to our PST. So let's check it out. Just our P computed, and the font size is, why is that? Oh, text. Let's check it out. And now you can see that it's bigger. But as you can see, on our PST, in the PST is way too smaller. So maybe you can just remove that and let be, or maybe 16. It's better. I think it's better like this. Get the free app. So our free app, it's not a button. Why? Oh, that's missing an S. So now you have a button. Now we have to add some margins. So let's get to our ruler tool. It's 45 pixels. And let's go to, what is the class? Stores banners. And paste it. We will check our A element and making margin top 45 pixels. The width must be 100% of the column, and the padding left must be 0, because this is just a rewrite of the bootstrap system. As you can see, now we'll have this. Now we have to put this banner on the right side, and we'll go over stores banners, and since as we see, we have like a padding here, and this must be on the same line. So this is because Bootstrap is adding some default padding, and we must reset it. So let's make padding padding left 0, and add a margin top like 10 pixels. Now you can see we have on the same line. And now let's do it. Let's make the banner on the right side. Wait. So let's go under our image, stores banners, img, and let's make it the width 49% each, and a margin top of 10 pixels, because this will have a 10 pixel margin from the text, or no, from the button, as you can see here. And if we check it, it's 10 pixels. So the first one must have the difference of each in the margin. So this one must have a margin right of 1%. So if we store banners and go to EMG, but we need only the first image, and our first image is the third let's go to NT child, third child, and margin right 1%. Let's save it and check it out. So as you can see, full width, banners on each side, and as we can see, this is the same. So let's check it out, the about section, but maybe we will go on the next video. This video is way too long. So